Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Cash App account closed. Alright, so let's begin with the video. If your Cash App account has closed, don't worry, there are a few ways you can try to fix it and possibly get it restored. First, understand why your account was closed. The most common reasons include long periods of inactivity or violations of Cash App's terms of service. Now, if you go to Support section and select Why My Account is Closed, this will show you that this could be due to unusual activity, multiple accounts misuse, or transactions that triggered their security system. Now, to fix a closed account, the first thing you should do is try logging back in using your original phone number or email address. Sometimes, accounts are only temporarily restricted, and logging in again can help you regain access, or at least show you the next steps. If that doesn't work, your best option is to contact Cash App support. You can do this by creating a new account with a different email or phone number, then going to the support section inside the app. From there, open the chat option and explain your issue clearly. Tell them that your account was closed and that you would like to restore it. Be specific and polite in your message. This increases your chances of getting help. Once connected, a support representative will review your case. If your account wasn't closed due to a serious violation, they may be able to reopen it or guide you on what to do next. However, keep in mind that not all accounts can be restored, especially if there was a major policy breach. And that's it. So that's basically how you can fix Cash App account closed. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.